What is that noise?
I don't know.
Oh my god, he rented a Vespa.
Oh.
Steve. GT 300.
I'm assuming it's the fucking the shield. How did that fucking move though? Lower that for a second.
Sounds like something fell off.
No, something's rubbing. So here's the current situation. I just went out to dinner with my wife, and like 5 minutes before I got back to my house, I started hearing like metal on metal noise. It sounded like when the shield behind the rotor, the dust shield, you know, taps on the rotor. I heard like a heavy grinding noise. So I jacked the car up real quick just to see what it was. I thought the brake dust shield was touching, but it wasn't. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have to take the wheel off the race stars. It's right there. And I guess, I don't know, it's probably my installation error. I don't know, these shank lug nuts really do suck if you don't have like a hub-centric ring. So I definitely damaged the stud, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to just rock four lug nuts for now. But this noise I noticed, which I haven't heard before. I'm really curious what that metal on metal sound was. I thought like I caught something under the wheel or something. So just bear with me, guys. We're gonna have to use two hands. So, see if you can see this. You hear that? That sucks. I don't know if my drive shaft's shot. I do beat on it pretty bad. That would suck if my drive shaft is shot. So that means I need a drive shaft, but I'm done with these race style wheels. I'm currently laying on the floor. I honestly don't know if that's normal or not, but that's a lot of play. But I don't know what that metal on metal noise was. The axle nut was tight. I checked. I'm gonna go to the front wheel, see if it's that noise, but that's pretty damn loud. So now I'm gonna switch my wheels out. So that's not it. But I'm taking these wheels off now. They're going for sale. Done with race stars. Guess it's time to go Forge Star. We're back to weld. So I just took the car for a ride with these stock wheels on the passenger side, and that noise is gone. So now I'm assuming that obviously this is my user error putting the shank lug nuts in. The other four came off like nothing, but I think this finally stripped out so bad and it was getting stuck on the inside of the actual wheel, and that's what was making the noise. Because I mean, it didn't happen for too long. I was driving for about like 10 minutes and I was pretty close to the house, and I made a turn, and then all of a sudden I started hearing that grinding noise, like it sounded like the dust shield. So I'm assuming this was the issue, that this was grinding, you know, like this was moving around and making the noise. So I'm going to change out the other side. Obviously, I'm gonna have to get wheel studs. I'm probably gonna upgrade to the ARPs because I've changed out these wheels quite a few times. But every day something, man. It never ends with this car. But this is definitely my fault. I'm not a big fan of these shank lug nuts. They're a pain in the ass to put on. So I'm either gonna switch back to the welds or I'm gonna go with the Forge Stars, but I am looking for a dedicated set of daily wheels. I really can't stand driving on the stock wheels. So just a little update. Leave some comments below tearing my ass up about how I don't know how to put on lug nuts.